Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSEM Manipur. Unit 5 Mathematical Reasoning. Topic Mathematical Reasoning. Subtopic Negation of Statement, Simple Statement, Compound Statement. Exercise 14.2. Negation of a statement. What is negation of a statement? The denial of a statement is called the negation of the statement. Apiba statement amagi yaningdaba statement amabu negation of a statement kawi. If P is a statement, then the negation of P is also a statement and is denoted by not P. Read as not P. P habishin statement ama oirabadi negation of P asisu statement amani masibu symbol asina khangnagani paba matamda not P haina pagani. Not. For forming negation of a statement, use phrases like it is not the case or it is false that. Karigum statement amagi negation sema matamda it is not the case or it is false that have a phrasing as sizinaba yai. Simple statement. A statement which cannot be subdivided into a simpler statement is called a simple statement. Makhatana amuk asamba statement singda khaidokwa ngamdraba statement amabu simple statement kawi. Compound statement. A compound statement is a statement which is made up of two or more simple statements. Ani natraga ani dagi henba simple statements singna semba statement amabu compound statement kawi. Each of these simple statements is called a component statement. Compound statement ama sembagi asamba statement sing khudingmakpu component statement kawi. Exercise 14.2. 1. Write the negation of the following statements. Makhagi statement sing asigi negation you. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Roman number 1. How to make? Chennai is not the capital of Tamil Nadu. Or it is false that Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Asumna koi tongan ba form sing the semba yai adubu b bha ko loina ru yaurabadi b bha sing adugi manakta not hapak su negation semba yai. Root 2 is not a complex number. Root 2 is a complex number. All triangles are not equilateral triangle. All triangles are equilateral triangle. Roman number 4. The number 2 is greater than 7. Its negation is the number 2 is not greater than 7. Roman number 5. Every natural number is an integer. Every natural number is not an integer. Question number 2. Are the following pairs of statements negations of each other? Makhagi statement jura singasi amana amagi negation oibra. Roman number 1. The number x is not a rational number. The number x is not an irrational number. Let us see. The negation of the first statement is the number x is a rational number. The negation of the second statement is the number x is an irrational number. Thus, the two statements are negation of each other. Ahanbagi negation, ahanba sentence asigi negation di the number x is a rational number. Not irrational haragda rational. The negation of the second statement is the number x is an irrational number. Thus, the two statements are negation of each other. Roman number 2. The number x is a rational number. The number x is an irrational number. The two statements are negation of each other. Question number 3. Find the component statements of the following compound statements and check whether they are true or false. The number 3 is prime or it is odd. Sigi component statements singadudi. The component statements are number 3 is prime. Ani suba component statement dudi number 3 is odd. Si or na taisinai or asibu koina matung taba chapters singda connective words kawi. Or na taisinaba amagidi nakan animaki component statements singadu animak false oirabadi statement to false oigani. Aduna taba cases haibadi truth true oigani, truth false oigani, false truth oigani. they are true or false haiba animak truth oirabanina. Number 3 is prime, number 3 is odd. Animak chumabanina statement asi chummi. The statement is true. For Roman number 2, all integers are positive or negative. Component statements are ahanbada all integers are negative, anisubada all integers are positive. The statement is false because or na taishanaba animak statement animak si false ni. All integers are negative habisulali, all integers are positive habisulali. Integers singasidi negative positive animak na taba 0 na punchalaga sembani. Integer punamak negative to positive to labadu negative khatane harde lale. All integers are positive haragadi integers singadadi positive amasu negative ani ga punchalaga semakpani adubu positive ngakane harabadi lale. Statement animak se lalabanina or na taisinaba connective words or have a connective words oni asigi compound statement asigi truth value asi false ni. Roman number 3, 100 is divisible by 3, 11 and 5. Its component statements are ahanbada 100 is divisible by 3, anisubada 100 is divisible by 11, ahumsubada 100 is divisible by 5. 100 is divisible by 3 false, 100 is divisible by 11 which is false, 100 is divisible by 5 which is true. Connective words mafam asida connective words endani endana taisina connective words oiba compound statement amagi truth value di ahumak truth oiragana truth oigani other cases are false. Statement ahum sida ahumak truth oibagi condition do laitre aduna hujikti magi truth value si false ni. Therefore the statement is false. Thank you for watching video.